Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to change my nails, so I figured it would be good time to try out a new drill. YAFEX, I think is how you say it, maybe YAFEX. Maybe YAFEX? That's what I'm gonna go with. They sent me a new drill. I have done another drill of theirs in the past and it was great. I'll link the playlist below of all the e-files I've tried. So I figured we would try this one. Okay, so it's one of the ones that go like in the center here. Okay. Let's see. Alrighty. Ooh, it's pretty tiny. Let's get this out. Are we ready for the peel? I love peeling. So satisfying. And it looks like there's another one on here. Okay, this is good because it's just a little baby one. Perfect. It does look like it is a wireless one, unless, oh, maybe it plugs in there. Okay, so maybe it isn't wireless. No, it is not. Oh my gosh, it's so little. It actually feels kind of like my other one. Plug her in. Okay, let's see how high we can go. 30,000 RPMs. So I have used drills with this type of handpiece. It is not my favorite because you can't tighten it. It literally just pushes in there. So, like, you just push in there. I mean, it's not bad. I just personally like to tighten it because I feel like that would get loose. I don't know if it will, but that's how I feel. All right, so on top, you can place your bits in there. You get these standard bits that pretty much every e-file from Amazon has. Just put them in like that. So that is perfect. And then they give you extra sanding bands, and I use the fine ones to prep my nails. I'm gonna compare it to my $450 Kupa. So this also goes to 3,000 RPMs. I don't know if this is 3,000. If you're wondering what RPMs means, it's rotations per minute. It says it is 30,000, so maybe it is. So there is a little bit of vibration. Quite a bit of vibration, actually. And I can't put the bit in, so I think it's also because of the bit. Like, look at how long that is. I usually have my bit starting right here, and these are actually to put the, like, against this part so you don't get dust in it. I mean, I could probably slide it down, but that is quite long outside of the barrel. Let's give it a test. As you can see, that took that gel polish off very easily. Now I'm gonna show you with my Mani Pro so you can see what I mean at how much shorter that is. I'm also turning it up to 30,000 RPMs. I do feel like the Mani Pro worked better. I know this says 30,000 RPMs, but I don't feel like it is. I feel like it may be 25, which is perfectly acceptable to remove gel, and I think acrylic as well. But again, that's a very long hand piece. So 30. I mean, it works great, in my opinion. It cuts through that gel polish like butter. So this is $37, prime shipping. This is $450. Someone math me, is that like 15 of these for the price of that one? I think this is a great first starting e-file, especially if you are just starting and you don't know what you want. You can waste $36. If you don't like it, you can return it to Amazon, but I think it's great. I think I was pleasantly surprised at this one because it's tiny for a larger kind of e-file base. Some of the other ones I have are quite substantial. Mickey says hello. So, and that's for the storage. So now you have your e-file all compact in there, and this comes out, so if you are traveling, you can easily take out your e-file bits and don't have to necessarily worry about your handle. This one does not come out, so that is easier to travel with than it would be with this one. I give this a go. I don't know if it would work on acrylic. I think it would. I think the Mani Pro would get through all of the layers quicker, but this is still really good in my opinion. So again, I will link it below, and if I have any coupons or anything, I will also link it below. But again, I want to thank YAFEX for sending this over to me. I think it's a great e-file.